Can you just give us some predictions for the near future?
What's
Anything.
near future?
For example, 2 or 3 years.
You're easy. Yeah. I'm always thinking 15 years out because that's my business.
All right, 15 years, that's good enough too. So what's the world going to look like in 15 years?
A lot of us will be in flying cars. Some of us already are. They might be electric flying cars. We will be possibly reversing aging through stem cells and cloning. There will definitely be the thing Reagan was talking about, the Golden Dome or whatever, the laser defense mechanism. Those things will be on every country. Hopefully 15 years from now, we will be less nationalistic and more global because, I mean, we're all better off when we trade, but we had to go through this nationalistic thing. It was sort of like the big roar of the dying lion. Internet came and everybody was global, and then Bitcoin came and they said, well, does this mean our currency doesn't control our people? This sort of freaks me out. And eventually people go, oh, forget it. You don't need these little Nigerian naira or the Argentinian peso or the bolivar from Venezuela. You don't need them. Oh, robots will be mainstream, but I actually think that it won't be as many humanoid robots as investors think today. I mean, why would you create a humanoid robot when you can create one with like 15 arms and one that kind of does the whole thing for McDonald's? It's probable that Tesla owns the self-driving Uber world because they're going to make all their cars self-driving and they're going to make them all programmable. And that means that I can, instead of having my car sit there in the garage, I can have my car out making deliveries, delivering people, moving whenever I'm not using it. And then if it's not even my car, doesn't matter. I'll come pick up another one. And he's got 50,000, 100,000 cars that can be self-driving tomorrow. AI and robotics are going to come together. Like, robots are going to be smart. And then AI is going to take all our jobs and we're going to have to invent new ones.